Let me show you how CPS parking actually works in real life, filmed step by step so you know exactly what to expect. CPS stands for Cruise and Passenger Services, and they run the official valet parking at Southampton, Dover and Portsmouth. It's simple. You drive up to the terminal, hand over your keys, and you're a few steps from bag drop and check-in. On return, your car is waiting in the dockside car park. And at the end of this video, I'll show you what we paid and whether it was better value than taking onboard credit. So, here we are at the Mayflower Cruise Terminal in Southampton for our round-trip transatlantic crossing on Queen Mary 2. You can see the QM2 sign we downloaded from CPS.
Hi.
CPS?
Yes, please. Great, thank you.
The attendant spot it and directs you into the correct lane. In Southampton, CPS cover Mayflower, Ocean, QE2 and City terminals. In Dover, the imaginatively named Cruise Terminal 1 and Cruise Terminal 2, and in Portsmouth, the equally creative Portsmouth Cruise Terminal. Just to add, in Liverpool, CPS offer off-site parking with a shuttle bus.
Right, just switch off, but stay in the car a couple of minutes, this lady will book you in.
Fantastic, thanks ever so much.
Thank you.
Hello,
Hi.
Mr. David.
That's right,
Correct,
that's
yes.
it.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
Good, thanks. Good journey?
Yeah, very smooth, thank you. It's a lovely day.
Yep, good. I'm just going to take some photos of your vehicle.
Okay.
So, I don't know, we're doing breast cancer collection today, so I don't know if you've got any loose change at
Okay,
all.
sure, yeah. I
That'd be
do.
lovely.
Okay.
Whilst they photograph the car, a quick look at booking. Important, use the official CPS website as shown here. There are copycats. You can book direct, or sometimes parking is bundled in with your cruise fare. On the CPS site, if you booked via the cruise line, enter your cruise reference. It can take a couple of days after booking to show up. If you're booking direct, hit regular quote. Choose your cruise line, location, ship and sailing. Let's use our upcoming Northern Lights cruise on Queen Victoria as an example. Up comes a list of all her future voyages, and we simply find our one. You'll see the dates autofill and the prices on the right. Then pop in your car registration, it pulls up the car details, and you can go ahead and book. As you'll see later, sometimes it's cheaper to book and pay direct, and sometimes it's better value to let the cruise company take care of it. So it's worth comparing. And now you give them your car key and they give you a barcoded ticket for collection.
Car key there, please.
I do. It is,
It's a good idea to take a photo of your ticket as a backup.
That's what you'll need to claim your vehicle back.
Great.
So please keep that somewhere safe as
That's
you
fine.
do need that. Okay.
Great, thank you.
And have a wonderful holiday.
We fetch all of our bags out of the boot, and then one of their drivers parks the car. You can see just how close we are to the cruise terminal, with baggage pod 3 right in front of us. Here we are on the return, and we've just come through customs into the arrivals hall. CPS is clearly signposted, and there are plenty of port staff around to ask.
CPS straight ahead, sir, round to the left.
Lovely, thank you. Hi, it's CPS.
CPS, down to the shelter, sir, any questions?
Thank you.
It's about a 1 to 2 minute walk from the arrivals hall to the CPS car park. I'll fast forward past the taxi queue. At the CPS hut, they scan your ticket, hand you your car key, and tell you whereabouts in the car park you can find your car.
Hello.
Lovely, thank you.
Thank you. Correct.
There we are then. So you are in A1, so through the cones here on the right hand side.
This valet parking was for our round trip transatlantic between Southampton and New York on Queen Mary 2, and I filmed both crossings. They're live on the channel now if you'd like to see the whole journey. As we walk up to our car, I'll run through what we paid for parking for our 14-night return crossing to New York. Booking direct with CPS would have cost £243. But if we bundled parking in with our Cunard fare, we would have sacrificed $230 of onboard credit, and that comes to around £173. So it was cheaper to book the parking through our cruise fare and forego the onboard credit. Like I say, it's always worth checking. And here it is, our chariot awaits. You can see just how close we are to the ship. Farewell, Queen Mary 2. Parting is such sweet sorrow. All in all, CPS has been very straightforward. It's a slick, convenient service that makes both embarkation and return days simple. Depending upon where you're travelling from, it can even work out cheaper than the train or a taxi. I'm David from Curious to Travel. Stay curious.